Alright, so you got an inlet there on the right. It doesn't look big enough to be a toilet. Yeah, that's a bunch of roots. Alright, we're going to need something to cut that root out. Okay, now we're in the master bath. Let's see if we have any better success here. Wow.
Well, there you go. Went through that.
Yeah, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring my cleaner machine.
Oh.
So right?
You want? Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to bring it in here?
I want to bring it in here,
okay.
And we'll run it out to the line. Then we'll do it from there, and run it out to the line, and then we'll TV it. Okay. And then we'll jet it, because then we'll have it out there.
Yeah.
We can hook a rope.
Yeah.
All right, I like it. It's a good plan.
Okay.
All right, so we jetted this line a couple times. We got a tag line in there, just in case we need more.
So that big root or so is gone, or?
Yeah. So
I think so.
It looks nice and clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's on.
I don't see any big cracks. Do you see any?
No, I don't. I'm kind of looking. Yeah, that's that double Y right there.
Yeah.
I keep wanting to go the wrong way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's right there. That's it.
Yeah.
All right, I think we're good here, huh?
Yeah. Well,
I think we're good.
I tell you what. They don't flush like when the house was new.
Yeah.
Yeah.